With COVID-19 cases on the rise in the state, Nagaland Minister for Health and Family Welfare S. Pangnupom paid a final inspection of the ongoing Biosafety Lab Level 2 installation at Christian Institute of Health Sciences and Research CIHSR at Dimapur today. The Health Minister was accompanied by Advisor IPR, SCERT and VG Toshi Wongtong and guided by Director of CIHSR Dr. Sedevi and Dr. Nito Yepthomi. Director of CIHSR Dr. Sedevi informed that ICMR has given approval for the lab and it would be operational once ICMR are satisfied with the test sample done with BSL-2 and the results of which would be uploaded by tomorrow. Dr. Nito Yepthomi, who will be heading the BSL lab at CIHSR, informed the visiting officials that 12 designated staff headed by him would be running the lab, which will also comprise of 2 pathologists and 1 scientist who will be working in shifts. He also informed that the present strength of 12 staff would be able to test around 150 to 200 samples, but cited that more manpower would be required if the sample goes beyond 200 per day. Nagaland State Sports Academy at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Kohima has been selected to be established as Khelo India State Centre of Excellence KISCE. In a press release, Advisor for Youth Resources and Sports Zale Nekha said that it is a historic and defining moment for the people of Nagaland. He expressed gratitude to the Prime Minister, Union Sports Minister and State Chief Minister for recognizing the effort and giving the opportunity to the state to upgrade its sporting facilities into a national level centre for excellence. It may be mentioned in the first phase of setting up of KISCE, Sports Ministry has identified state-owned sports facilities in 8 states of India. After the violent India-China face-off in Galwan Valley of Ladakh, where 20 Indian soldiers were killed, an electronics showroom in Guwahati has stopped selling China-manufactured appliances and goods. The call to boycott made-in-China products comes at a time when Narendra Modi-led government is promoting a campaign to make the country self-reliant under the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. A notice placed outside the showroom, located at Ulubari in Guwahati, reads, "We have stopped selling products of Chinese brands." Showroom owner said they have taken the decision to promote Indian products and he hoped there will be a major change in the next 3-4 years if the people of India change their mindset and stop using Chinese products. Amid the political crisis in Manipur, the BJP has sent Assam Health Minister and NEDA convener Himanta Biswa Sarma to woo the rebel NPP legislators who withdrew support from the Chief Minister N. Biren Singh-led coalition government. Sarma reached state capital Imphal on Sunday night and along with Meghalaya Chief Minister and NPP leader Conrad Sangma. They will try to cement the gaps between the state units of the NPP and the BJP, gaps that led to 4 NPP MLAs withdrawing support from BJP movement. The combined visit of Sangma and Sarma, the architects of the BJP's efforts to cobble together enough numbers to form the government back in 2017, comes at the behest of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Sources said Conrad Sangma is reportedly trying to persuade his MLAs to reconsider their decision to withdraw support and join the Congress-led SPF, which is pushing for a special session of the Assembly to move a no-confidence motion against the government. With COVID-19 cases on an upward spike all across the country, including the Northeast, the COVID-19 status of the northeastern states as of 8 p.m. today are: Arunachal's tally rose to 139 positive, 118 active and 21 recovered. Assam's tally rose to 5,586 positive, 2,169 active, 3,405 recovered and 9 deaths so far. Meghalaya's tally stands at 43 positive, 5 active and 37 recovered with 1 death. Manipur's tally rose to 841 positive, 591 active, 250 recovered. Mizoram's tally rose to 142 positive, 130 active and 12 recovered. Nagaland's tally rose to 280 positive cases today, 139 active and 141 recovered. Tripura's tally rose to 1,224 positive, 464 active, 759 recovered and 1 death. Sikkim's tally stands at 78 positive, 57 active and 21 recovered. Total number of COVID-19 cases in the Northeast stands at 8,333 positive cases, 3,673 active cases, 4,646 recovered cases, and 11 deaths as of today. From all of us here at NE8, stay strong and stay safe.